Hey everybody, I am Kina Kraves and I am back with another video for y'all today. Now y'all know those regulars. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And how y'all doing today? How are y'all doing? Y'all see this feast I got in front of me, honey? It's been a long time coming. Croaker baby, I miss you. Now y'all ready to eat? I am. Let's eat. Are y'all hungry? I am. Let's eat. All right, y'all. I got Croaker. I got 3 pieces here. I got some grits. It has cheese in it, not a lot, because I'm having some stomach problems, so I can't just pile up a lot of cheese because I ain't gonna be able to digest it later. So, and I got some toast and white bread. Okay. I got an ice drink here, as usual. I'm gonna say my grace and then we're gonna eat, okay? Amen. Y'all go ahead and put this pepper in my grits. Yeah, y'all, it is cheese in here. It is not a lot. And I ain't even pile up a whole bunch on top of it because I just can't do all that. Y'all gonna be at home chilling, living y'all best life. And I'm gonna be sick, so. But I do like a lot of pepper off of these bits. What's going on, y'all? What's good? Or what it is? What's up? In touch. Oh, yeah. I kind of want to eat the small one first. Yeah. I'm going to eat my small one first, y'all. Y'all know we got to have that Texas Pete down here, huh? I'm going to tell y'all who I love watching too. Sam's World eat fish like crazy too, and I love it. But it's this excuse me, y'all, stuff fowler channel called the Queen's Family. And the little kids even know how to eat fish. It's for real. I have to do that and get it out of the way, y'all. I'm gonna put me a little paper towel for my bone. That's been a little while since I had fish or seafood ball. Hold on. Y'all, I already knew this was going to happen. Alec Baldwin. He tried to compare the Oscars. Y'all knew this was going to happen. I knew it was going to happen. He tried to compare the Oscars to Jerry Springer show. Okay. All right, sir. But what about the lady that you killed on set? You shot her dead. We gonna compare that to First 48? Boy, stop. Shut up. For your ass get smacked next. Y'all knew it was gonna happen. We just didn't know who was gonna say something. That's why I had it happen. That's why I had it happen. Y'all already know. You know they were gonna say you can't take black folks nowhere. Y'all knew it. Did he get an Oscar? Say it to Will face. I'm pretty sure you don't. I'm pretty sure you don't want to say it to his face. I'm pretty sure you ain't even got the balls to say it to his face, sir. That food good, too. You can't go wrong with fish, boy. I'm gonna have to vacuum up in here, y'all. I'm catching more stuff on the floor and on my shirt now in my mouth. Brave! Yeah, honey, Alec Baldwin. A hot mess. We knew stuff like that was coming. We knew it. No. I ain't promoting violence. I'm never gonna do that. Never. Because violence is not the answer. But Alec Baldwin, didn't he just smack somebody for cracking jokes? And you want to crack one too? And he already going through it. Shut up. I'm about to forget about my grits. Hold on. You gotta eat toast with grits. Toast just go with grits, don't it? Y'all, I don't know if I told y'all or not. I got some family members who said that they got some people who gonna go fishing for me and catch me some brim and crappie. Like I said, I got this from a meat market, and they had some more fish up there. They had some tilapia. I did. Mm. It's like it's this piece right here that you just tear apart. They got all that meat right there, y'all. It's that piece. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Look at all this meat. Look. See, I gotta just take that out. And that bone just right there in the middle. You can just grab that and just. Child, look at that. Yeah, why I thought, and I knew better, and I stand corrected. I'll be the first one to admit when I'm wrong. Ukraine is not part of NATO. I don't know why I thought it did, but I'm just gonna blame the fact that I've been out of school over 25 years. And I'm not the one to think I know everything. Because I don't. I don't. Babe! I said, babe, y'all. And Bree said, come here. You know I call her name too much.
I want to get a tattoo.
Yeah, I said, babe. She said, come in. I really said, babe. But go take that bacon out the oven because I know Tyson ain't do it.
I might get a tattoo. My 16th birthday.
You gonna get a tattoo?
My 16th birthday.
How she gonna tell me she gonna get a tattoo for her 16th birthday? You can ask. She ain't getting no tattoo. She ain't getting no tattoo. And it's crazy. You know what? My son was 16, y'all. My son got a tattoo. That's what she's saying there. I know it is. Now, if I say no, she gonna say, Kobe got one. Oh, my God. Y'all got one tattoo right here. One. I ain't crazy about them. Like, they pretty. But, I'm not a glutton for punishment. That one hurt it. Look, that's all I got. I was scared to get tattoos. Yeah, I mean, for real. Needles and stuff just ain't for me. I have one. That's all I need. Maybe I would have more if they didn't hurt, but then again, I don't want a whole bunch of them. I just don't. I don't knock nobody for them. My ex-husband has a lot of them. My babe is tatted from his neck down.
Can I get your wheelchair so I can play a game?
Can you do your homework?
Okay, yes. Thank you.
Yeah, look. This one thing I can't eat a lot of. I sure can. I made some bacon with these grits. It's like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. It's kind of getting dark, so probably like 8:30, something like that. I can eat breakfast food any time of day. Y'all know it. I told you. What I tell y'all to keep me out high? Grits. I always keep y'all some grits, honey. Grits will set you free, and so will the truth. Try. And I have my own godson. I give him all the fat pieces of meat. Like this part, I give him all the inside pieces. Mm. Good, I did that on y'all, because when I put them grits in my mouth, I just swallowed them. Well, I'm about to wrap it up, y'all. I sure am. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Stay crispy and crunchy. And we're going to make it do what we do for the rest of 2022. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know it? We're going to get up off our asses. And we're going to make it happen for ourselves. We're going to invest in ourselves. We're going to treat ourselves good. And we're not going to worry about what nobody else have to say about us. Because you know what? The ones that mind, they don't matter. And the ones that matter, they don't mind, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all something. Look at my shirt. My cup runs over. I know y'all don't seen me wear that before, but I am a spiritual person. I might not say the things I'm supposed to say. And I might let some bad words slip out. But I'm a good person on the inside. And the ones that know me know that. And when you get to know me, when my Kravers, my new Kravers get to know me, y'all know I mean well also. Y'all keep it crispy and crunchy, my Kravers. And make sure y'all tell a friend that we over here getting it in. Y'all, we almost at 1K. We at 800 plus, y'all. We are climbing. We almost there. So, like I said, I'll see y'all tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye.